Hi. Were you just served with foreclosure paperwork? Were you told by your bank that you don't qualify for a home loan modification? Are you afraid that you're going to lose your home? Well, you should be, and you only have 20 days to respond to that foreclosure paperwork that you just received. What you need to do is call the attorney I was lucky enough to find, and his name is Gary Handon. I was referred to Gary Handon through some good friends of mine, and if you think you have it bad, my friends were going through 2 foreclosures at the same time. And with Gary's help, they didn't have to make a payment on their home for more than 2 years, and in the end, not only were they able to do the home loan modification the bank said they didn't qualify for, Gary was able to negotiate a huge principal reduction on the amount of money owed on their home, as well as getting them a super low fixed interest rate, which reduced their payment to something that is now affordable for them. And they're still in that home today. Gary also negotiated a huge principal reduction on their other property, which they were able to sell for a profit. And with results like this, when I was served with that dreaded foreclosure package, Gary Handon was the first attorney of many that I called. And in the end, I chose Gary, and I'm glad I did. Gary never made me feel like I was just another case he was taking on. Gary always kept me updated as to what was going on with my case, and Gary always returns my calls to answer any questions that I may have. And the best part about Gary Handon's law firm is, he is more than affordable. Look, this isn't a paid commercial. I'm currently one of Gary's clients. I made this video for 2 reasons. First, to thank Gary Handon for all his hard work, and secondly, to let other people in my situation know that there are affordable attorneys out there who really care, who can help you get out of this situation that you're now in. And Gary Handon is one of them. So what are you waiting for? Pick up the phone right now and call Gary Handon today. I promise you'll be glad you did.